Hi guys, hope you have a fantastic day and welcome to the channel. So today we are finally starting to demolish this Lada. We need to remove everything, the front seats, the back seats, the mats, isolation, everything on the trunk. We need to remove all the glass. So today's job is just to prepare everything and remove it from the inside. Then in the next video we're gonna put this Niva on the lift and just remove everything from the suspension. So yeah, right now it's just a lot of removing, but then we can get to the fun stuff. So yeah guys, I will not talk like this all day, so let's start working. Well guys, I need to say this Lada just looks nice. There is rust here and rust here like every Lada, but other than that it's in pretty good condition. So let me show you the back. Every Lada has rust. This is just how it is. Yeah, I don't know why it rusts so good here, but it just there is always some rust. And the gas tank is underneath this rusted metal, and I just don't want to weld and thinking, oh, it's gonna catch on fire or not. So we are gonna remove the gas tank and be safe. Just when you weld stuff, be safe guys, that's the best thing I can say. So yeah, when we go from here underneath the fender, you can see the rust from this side, so we just need to fix this. But other than that, the floor pans and everything is in good condition, so this is going to be one nice Lada when it's finished. Well guys, so we removed the gas tank, and when we look for more rust we can't find it, and that's really rare on Lada, so I'm really happy about it. It's just on the spring mounts, so this is going to be a pretty easy fix. And now we are done with the interior. So what we need to do next? Now we need to go here on the front of the car and remove the front windshield. And always when you are removing the windshield, put the new rubber. So I'm just gonna cut the old one, and not gonna be too much trouble to remove it. But yeah, you can do it to save this rubber, but always put a new one, so it's just easier to cut everything out. So yeah, now it's time to remove this windshield. Well guys, the front windshield is out, and just be careful, I'm gonna paint this car and we're gonna put the new windshield in. So when I was working with the razor blade, I didn't care too much if I scratch a paint a little bit or scratch the glass, because everything is going to be new. But to me, when you're alone, this is the easiest way to remove it. And now we can see the rust, and I'm really happy. It's just surface rust, nothing too much, so this is just good. The same on the other side, so this is just good news. Now we need to remove the back glass, And I heard that you can remove it without removing this chrome, so that you can just push everything from the back. We will see if that works. If not, I'm just gonna remove the chrome and then you can push this glass easily. So yeah, now we'll see if this works good or not. Let's give it a try. Well guys, I was reading so many forums on the internet, so many things, and at the end, I don't know, you should just leave this chrome in and push the glass from the inside out, but this rubber is so hard I can't even a millimeter I can push it in or out. So I would just like on the windshield, I'm just gonna use the razor blade and cut this rubber out because I have a new one. I don't care, I just wanted to remove it how it's supposed to be if you reuse it, but I can't reuse it, so I'm just gonna cut it and that's it. Hvala, Isusu, bježi, vozi. Well guys, this Lada is finally, well, naked from the inside. So everything is removed here from the top all the way to the bottom. Everything is removed and looks just nice. Awesome, it looks awesome. So yeah, finally we are done today. We did so much work and I'm happy how everything looks. It's going to be really good car and it's going to be really good videos about this Niva. So this is going to be just epic, just so nice. Can't believe it. We are doing this and just beautiful thing to see. So yeah guys, now we can lift this car in the air and in the next video we are gonna remove the suspension. So yeah. Well guys, we are done for today and there is so much work. I wasn't alone today and it's just a really nice thing to see. I'm always working alone and this was just a lot easier. We did so much work in such a little time. I could never do it alone, so it's just awesome to have some help. Sadly, they are leaving today, so when we are lift the car and remove all the suspension and transfer case, I'm again alone. We are managing it, but it's nice. Now when I'm spoiled, I want again. It's just boring to do it on my own. But yeah, in the next video we're gonna remove everything from underneath. Then we are starting to do bodywork. We need to fix that rust on the front. We need to fix rust here on the back. Paint everything and then put everything back together. It's just so easy when we say this, but in the end it's a lot more complicated, but it's going to be so nice when everything is going to be finished and I just can't wait to see it. So I don't know what to tell you more guys, it's just been so much work and it's going to be a lot more work, but it's just such a great thing to start because you can remove so much in such a little time and you can see a really big progress in the interior, but it's just a days of work. It's not too much, but it's just awesome how you can see everything. So I don't know. I'm hoping it's awesome for you to watch, and I don't know what to sell you more than a like, share, and subscribe. And guys, in the next video we're going to do some more work. So see ya.